We just got here. Today is so exciting. Are you excited?
I am. We are bidding on multiple properties, and some of these properties are just so beautiful. And we just wanted to invite you in our process. So today we are at one of the properties, and we are about to meet the property manager to tour it, and we will keep you posted.
Yeah, these are leads that I've been working on for the last 3 weeks. We're really excited to expand and grow. All right, here's the second mansion that we are bidding on today probably, and we're just visiting them to see the square footage and the bedrooms and to make sure that we can bid a fair price for everybody. But yeah, excited to see this house and see what it's like. We toured the other mansion, and beautiful house. Very excited. So.
We've toured 3 properties today. They are all beautiful properties.
We're headed to another management company to
meet and talk about potential bids on what we would do working with them. And it is a fun day of bidding. This is basically what we do in the down season. We bid and we ramp up and continue to improve our training, our systems, so that we can enter into this next year stronger than the year before.
And better, with new standards and a new focus and just being refreshed, and then even more successful for the new year. And so Monica, who is our detail person, just was kind of thinking of all the properties. And so kind of tell us a little bit what you thought about as you were thinking about what you needed to consider for bids.
Yeah.
For creating a bid for the property.
So it's so interesting because all 3 properties were so very different, but luxurious, all 3 of them. And so I consider different things for each property, and it's based on the needs. Like, some are more technical, some are more straightforward, and some will require teams. And so sectioning out, okay, what are our costs going to be, and what do we need to keep our business functioning and running so that we can have our director of ops paid well, so that we can be paid, so that our cleaning staff can be paid, and so that we can give a quality service. And it's a win-win at the end of the day for both us and our client. We put in the bid and
we got them. So excited.